Hello guys, so welcome to Custom Venture. Thanks so much for always being there. I want to say a big thank you to all my returning subscriber. Thank you for your support. Thank you that you're always there for me. Thank you for watching my video each time. Thank you for the data, the time you spend. God bless you, really good. And I want to say to everyone that is watching my video for the first time, you are highly welcome. God bless you. Okay, today we'll be drafting the pattern of a wrap top, the wrap dress. The upper part is wrap top joined to the base, so it's a fixed wrap top we are going to have. It's not the one you can lose or tie. Okay, just follow me as we go, and then don't forget to just give this video thumbs up, like it, share with your friends, tell a friend to tell a friend, and also subscribe. Okay, as we do this, God bless you. Thanks so much. Okay, let's get started. Okay, here I'm going to just use the pattern paper. If you look at this one is a basic bodice. I want to believe that you can see very well the basic bodice, the balls, the span, the underballs, the waist, the hip. Okay, so I'll be using the length of this for the upper parts of the dress. Okay, and the lower parts, of course, it can either be, you can fix a flare there, you can gather the cloth under as you want it. Okay, so I'm going to use this one. There are many ways you can do your crop top or crop test, but just follow this simple method. So let me assume this is the back panel of the dress I want to sew. This is the back panel of it, so I'll be using this one to cut the front crop, the front wrap. Okay, so this side where I go, you place it on your pattern paper like this, or if you have gotten your pattern paper, you can place it on your fabric in whichever way it pleases you. So I place it here. I will cut the first side of the wrap top, then before I cut the second side. Okay, let me secure it so that it doesn't shake. Okay, that's my pattern paper. Like I explained, this is the basic bodice which I've cut, and this is the back panel of the basic body. So I want to cut the crop, I keep calling it crop, the wrap in the front. So what I'm going to do now is that I place my back pattern, my back block, or you call it back panel. I place it on it like this, and then follow me as I go. I mark where the neckline starts like this. Okay, then at this side of it, can you see it goes like this diagonally? Okay, by this side I'll measure 2.5 inches. Measure 2.5 inches in. Okay, because I will be taping 1/2 inch in. So then I'm going to mark the armhole here. At this place I marked the neckline, I will mark the armhole. I'll be cutting the armhole there. Okay, and then the next thing, I just mark this one down here. I will just mark this one around. If you like, you can mark it, or you just cut it. Maybe I should just cut it straight off there. Okay, so what am I going to do now? Okay, let me mark it, because I'm going to remove this basic one, this one up there. So I mark it round there. I cut it. So what is the next thing I'm going to do? I remove this one, Then the place I mark from the neck, I connect it to this one here. It's going to be very clear to us, don't worry. Okay, so now this is what I'm going to cut out. Cut out this. Then I will have gotten one side of my wrap top. Okay. The end is not sharp. Okay, so I've gotten one side of the wrap. So I will need another copy of this. I will need another copy of this for the second side. So cutting the second half of the wrap, this is the first one we got. So let's assume this is the front of the fabric. We are going to do front to front placements. So let me assume this is my the remaining fabric I'm going to use, and this is the first one I'm cut. So I just place it to front to front, front to front. Okay, let me secure it so that I can cut it. It will be front to front, so that by the time you now change it, it will be perfectly okay. Front to front. Now this is some of the pattern paper I've used, so please don't mind it. Just understand what is there. You know, the front to the front. The first half I cut, I'm going to place the front to the front. So I just trace it. If you cut your fabric perfectly, it's likely you won't have to use much fabric. Okay, done. I move the pins. Okay, you know, front to front. So here from your wrap, because this end, we push this end, it's going to be a fixed wrap. So that's why this space is there. Going to be a fixed one. So you sew this one, and then there's just one thing more for it, the darts. Okay, measure your if you want to put that, if you don't want to put, it's left to you, but the dart is just it's 3.5. 7 divided by 2, 3.5. Okay, notch your darts. You notch it for the two sides there anyway. Okay, so the next thing you place it, you are going to stitch this place to the main, you know, you see that way you want. If you want a flare for the gown, the part of the remaining one for flare, or you just want to gather stitch there. Okay, so this place is sewn. You sew this place to it, sew this place, then you place this one, sew it too, and then I'll be using bias to just tape it, tape the round neck to this place, tape it to this place, tape the armholes. There's no sleeve in it, so this side is going to be and then you have your wrap top. Place it this way. Isn't it beautiful? Isn't it beautiful? You'll be seeing the outcome that I've sewn with it. Look at it. This is your crop. You see it's so close. It won't expose you too much. But if you want it deeper, it's left to you. You can just increase this. You reduce this place. If you want this place to be wider, reduce this place. Okay? But I think this is okay. So this is your wrap top. Okay. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. Like it, share it, tell a friend to tell a friend to subscribe. Hit on that red subscribe button, and then don't forget to click the notification bell so that each time I upload new content, you'll be among the first people to get yours. Bye. Thumbs up to you too before you thumbs up to the video. Bye. Thanks for watching.